Good morning students. Today we are going to read chapter 1 A Day with Panda of our English reader book Mayflower semester 1. So let's start now. In this chapter we are going to read about types of pandas. Okay. Miss Patil has a surprise for the children. Today she is teaching them about the panda, her favorite animal. Miss Patil asked the children, "Do you know how many kinds of pandas there are?" Swati says, "I think there are 2 kinds, ma'am." "Yes, that's correct," says Miss Patil. "There are 2 kinds of pandas, the giant panda, which is black and white, and the red panda, also called the lesser panda." Just then there is a knock on the door. Miss Patil opens it. So, in this chapter we are going to read about pandas. Miss Patil has a surprise for her students, and today she is going to teach them about pandas, which is her favorite animal. Then Miss Patil asked to the students if they know anything about pandas. Then one of the students says that there are 2 types of pandas. Then Miss Patil informs them that there are 2 types of pandas, the giant panda, which is of black and white color, and the red panda, which is called the lesser panda. Just then there is someone on the door. Miss Patil opens the door, and what does she see? Oh, what a lovely surprise! Children, please welcome Panda. He is a giant panda. He is here to answer all your questions. The children are very excited to see Panda. They want to feel his fur. But Miss Patil says questions first. When Miss Patil opens the door, what does she see? She sees that there is a panda. Then she asks the students to welcome that panda. He is a giant panda, and she tells to the students that the giant panda is here to answer all your questions. Then the children are very excited. Excited means eager. The children are very eager, very excited to see panda. They are very happy and they want to touch the panda, but Miss Patil asked them to ask some questions first. Okay, now turn over the page. "Where do you come from?" asks Robin. Panda replies, "We giant pandas are usually found in the forests of central China. My cousins red pandas are found not only in China but also in Myanmar, Nepal and the Himalayan forests of India." "How big do you grow?" asked Amir. "Very big. Male giant pandas grow to about 6 feet in height and weigh more than 110 kilos. Female giant pandas weigh less, at about 105 kilos. Then one of the students, whose name is Robin, he asked to Panda, "Where do you come from?" कि आप कहाँ से आते हो? Then what does Panda say? Panda replies that giant pandas are usually means generally found in the forests of central China. But red pandas are found not only in China but also in Myanmar, Nepal and Himalayan forests of India." And then the giant panda tells to the students about their size, and it tells to them that male giant pandas grow to about 6 feet and their weight can be more than 110 kilos. But the weight of female giant pandas can be at about 105 kilos. Now come to the next paragraph. "What is your favorite food?" asked Smita. "Our favorite food is bamboo. We can eat bamboo for breakfast, lunch and dinner. We eat its stem, leaves and shoots. We have to eat large quantities of bamboo to get the nourishment we need. We can spend about 10 to 12 hours a day eating. But captive pandas found in zoos have a wide variety of food. They may eat cereals, milk and garden vegetables. So students, you can look here. Here are some words. Bamboo. Okay. So what is bamboo? You can look here in this picture. These are the bamboos. Okay. Next, nourishment. The meaning of nourishment is that the food that keeps one healthy. The next word is captive. Captive means kept in a zoo. And variety. Variety means many types of one thing. So, Smita asked two panda about their favorite food. Then the giant panda tells them that their favorite food is bamboo. They like to eat bamboo and they can eat bamboo at any time for breakfast, lunch and even dinner. And he tells to them that they eat its stem, leaves and shoots. But the giant panda tells them that they have to eat large quantities of bamboos to get the nourishment to keep themselves healthy, and they can spend 10 to 12 hours a day eating. But he tells that captive pandas, the pandas which are kept in zoos, they have a wide variety, a wide range of food. They get cereals. Cereals means dalein, milk and garden vegetables for their breakfast, lunch and dinner. Now next paragraph. Please tell us more about the red panda, says Rohit. Our cousins, red pandas, are much smaller. They usually grow as big as a full-grown cat. They have long bushy tails, reddish brown fur on the back and black fur on the belly. They too love to eat bamboo, but they also eat insects and fruits and sometimes small animals. Then Miss Patil tells the children, did you know that the lives of the giant panda and the red panda are in danger? People are cutting down their natural home, the bamboo forest. Really? That's very sad. We must save our forest to help them, ma'am, said Lisa. Yes, Lisa, we must, said Miss Patil. Now, Rohit says to panda, please tell us about the red pandas. Then the giant panda tells them about the red pandas. He says red pandas are much smaller. In fact, they are in the size of a fully grown cat. They have long bushy tails and reddish brown fur on the back, and they have black fur on their bellies, on their tummies, on their stomach. And they also love to eat bamboos, but they eat insects and fruits also. Then Miss Patil tells to the students, do you know that the lives of giant pandas and red pandas are in danger because people are cutting down the forest day by day? Then Lisa said that it's very sad and we should try to protect our forest to help these animals. Then Miss Patil says, yes, we must. We should save our forest to protect our animals, to help all these animals. Okay, dear students, now I hope that all of you have understood this chapter very well. Thank you and have a nice day.